Water System Dewinterization. Quick reference guide for dewinterizing water systems. Spring is back, and you're getting ready to reactivate your water systems. Be sure to carefully read and understand the dewinterization section of your owner's manual before using this checklist. Reactivating your water systems is fairly simple, but requires your full attention. If you notice any leaks, you must immediately turn off the pumps, release the pressure, and dry the affected areas. Start by closing the 5 valves of your rear water system. As well as the one located under your kitchen sink. If your van is equipped with a phantom shower, be sure to also close the 2 additional valves. Next, close all the faucets in your van and install all the shower hoses. You can now fill the fresh water tank, making sure to visually inspect the following areas to confirm there are no leaks. Once the tank is full, remove the fill hose. Turn on the rear tank pump and open the hot water tap on your sink. Once running, the pump will fill your water heater in 3 to 4 minutes. During this process, visually inspect the following areas to ensure there are no leaks. When water starts flowing from your sink tap, close the hot water faucet to put the system under pressure and inspect the same areas again. You can now repeat these steps and checks to activate your drinking water system. Test each faucet one by one to ensure everything is working properly. We recommend leaving the system under pressure and doing a final check within the next 2 hours to make sure everything is functioning correctly and leak-free. The final step is to install the bypass caps under your vehicle and test the drainage system of the phantom shower if your van is equipped with one. Not comfortable dewinterizing your system yourself? Let our experts handle it by booking an appointment on our website, www.vanlifemo.com/esservice. If you need more information, feel free to contact us at Adley or at vanlifemetal.com.